All right, weather-wise out there for us here, we're looking at those temperatures still warm, still muggy, heading out the door. Fog not going to be a big problem around the Metroplex. That's in our northeastern counties, but those temperatures all around will be in the upper 60s, and we'll actually see a little more sun, I think, today. Now, starting out mostly cloudy, we'll have plenty of low clouds around this morning, giving way to partly sunny skies as we head into this afternoon. We'll see those south winds increasing a little bit more. But let's talk about the changes taking place as we head toward the latter half of the week now, heading toward the weekend. Going to get a strong cold front moving in. And that will bring some fairly widespread showers and some isolated thunderstorms. Don't anticipate severe weather this time, but we will have some rain to talk about, I think, for the morning commute. This is on Friday, so widespread showers, maybe some isolated thunderstorms around. But the bigger story will be the cold air that spills in behind the front. We'll see those temperatures during the morning hours on Friday, likely in the mid to upper 50s, and they will be falling back into the upper 40s as we get into Friday afternoon. Now, the good news is for the Friday night lights, you're going to be out to some of those Friday night high school football games. The rain should be gone, but we'll have those strong north winds, so be prepared for some very chilly air, the cooler, drier air spilling in behind the front. So we'll go from the upper 70s to low 80s today and tomorrow to the mid and upper 50s on Friday. But again, that's going to be for the first half of the day, and those temperatures likely going to be falling as we head into the afternoon. And it is going to be chilly as we get into the weekend with those overnight lows in the mid and upper 30s, highs not getting out of the low 50s on Saturday. And as you might expect, those dew points drop from the sticky, almost uncomfortable 60s, only in the 20s and 30s, so that dry air does begin to move in. Do want to update you as well on Tropical Storm Nicole. It's out in the Atlantic, and you see the watches and warnings in effect for the Bahamas, along the peninsula of Florida as well, with those tropical storm warnings in effect. Now, it's going to make landfall potentially as a Category 1 hurricane between West Palm Beach and Fort Pierce as we head into tomorrow, or later today, in fact, and then it's going to swing through the southeast, maybe getting out in the Gulf of Mexico, moving back on shore in the Panhandle of Florida, and weakening as we get into the weekend into the mid-Atlantic region. So we still have the tropics active on into this part of November. All right, here's that 10-day forecast. Stays warm today and tomorrow. Big drop in those temperatures over the weekend as we'll have some mid and upper 30s for those overnight lows. And check out next week. We'll have some more rain chances as we head into the early part of the week, and those chilly temperatures sticking around all week long as well. Haven't seen that in a while.